Hello, I'm Amit Nerurkar. And in the second part of TCP state transition diagram, we would be focusing on connection termination. So, as you are aware, the red line indicates client side, the blue line indicates server side. Now, we assume the connection is established. And now the client needs to terminate the connection. So, in the input, client gets, say that close the connection. And for that, client sends fin and goes in a fin wait one state. Now, assuming it is a three-way handshaking for connection termination, which is also known as full close, your server sends fin plus ACK, your client goes in a closing state and finally sends the last ACK, and your client goes in a state known as time wait state. Now, assuming it is a four-way handshaking, what exactly is happening? Your server is not ready to terminate the connection, but because server probably is processing some data and server still needs to communicate with client, so server only sends ACK and your client goes in a fin wait to state and is now waiting for fin from server. Once finally all the operations from server side is done, your server sends fin, for which your client sends ACK, and your client goes in a time wait state. Wait till a time wait timer expires, as I have already explained in a TCP timers, and after the time wait timer expires, the connection is closed. Now this was the connection termination from a client point of view. Now let us understand the connection termination from a server point of view. So now server receives fin, and if you see whether it is a three-way handshaking full close or four-way handshaking half close, in both the cases the common thing which is being sent by the server to the client is ACK. So now server sends ACK and goes in a closed wait state. If server is ready to close the connection, server sends fin and goes in a last ACK state. Now when it receives the last acknowledgement, it does not send any output and finally terminates the connection. But as you are aware of the fact, your server never sleeps. So with a passive open input, your server would go in a listen state. And this was the overall architecture of the state transition diagram for client termination. So for more concept videos of computer network, subscribe to my channel Amit Nerurkar and hit the bell icon to get more updates. This is Amit Nerurkar signing off. Thank you.